SCASA defines the curriculum with subjects and associated capabilities. I choose to do science for primary year 5. In literacy, I'll be teaching vocabulary and writing. Prior to introducing the words, the students will complete Funds of Knowledge Digital Organizer. This is to determine the students' prior vocabulary knowledge. For science disciplinary words, I have chosen Marzano's 6-step vocabulary process. Step 1. Introduce the word with proper pronunciation. During this step, they are given Freya's graphic organizer to record the learning process. In Step 2, the students will be working in groups to interpret and define the meaning. Step 3. Individually, they prepare a visual presentation for the word. Step 4. Connection is then made to the word in context of science. Step 5. Working in groups again, they clarify and make amendments if required. Step 6. As a whole classroom, they associate a game or symbol to this word. The completed graphic organizer is then used during the writing process. In numeracy, they will capture the data from the experiment while recording and calculating their findings to form a graph or chart. During this process, the model for numeracy in the 21st century by Goose, Dole, and Geiger is used to audit the whole process. In the center, the subject is recorded. In this circumstance, it's science. In the tools section, the equipment used for calculation is recorded, like calculator, computer, or ruler. Maths knowledge, the mathematical concept used like measurement, is recorded. And then at the disposition, the teacher and students' input of the whole learning process is captured. After completing the experiment, they will produce a graph or chart. The final information is then used during writing. For writing, this will be a group presentation where they will produce a visual science report. In this process, a digital organizer is given for them to brainstorm with the teacher the whole process before starting. The first step is to familiarize with the word in context, which they have already done in vocabulary. Then they have to research to capture ideas. Before going to this step, they are introduced to digital literacy, photo-visual skill to decode visual presentation, reproduction skill to recognize fair use and copyright, real-time thinking to be able to multitask, search a few sites, branching skill, how to research using keywords, social-emotional skill to understand safe sites, information skill to analyze reliability of the information. Using this knowledge, they start their research process. Combining this information in capturing their ideas, vocabulary and numeracy is then combined together to produce a visual report. Then they plan and structure the report, draft it, revise for any changes, proofread for grammar, spelling, as well as the fonts and colors. Finally, they present the report.